Good day, I'm Janel B. Olvinar and I'm going to discuss the introduction of our Cozy Coffee. Cozy Coffee is a warm and inviting coffee shop concept that aims to provide a comfortable haven for coffee lovers to relax, socialize, and indulge in high quality beverage and baked goods. Our mission is to create a sense of community and a warm, offering a welcome atmosphere that makes the customer feel at home with a focus on exceptional customer service, premium products, and a cozy ambience. We strive to become the go-to destination for coffee enthusiasts and the local alike, fostering a loyal customer base and driving growth through positive word of mouth and online reviews.
Good day, investor. I am Shaira May Lapot and I am here to present the financial health and potential of the Cozy Coffee Cart. Our analysis reveals a promising picture for this small mobile coffee business. First, let's look at the income statement for the past year. We generated total revenues of 180,000 pesos, primarily from the coffee and pastry sales. After covering our operating expenses such as supplies, fuel, and permits, we achieved a healthy net profit of 111 and 500,000 pesos. This demonstrates the core profitability of the business model. Next, the statement of financial position provides a snapshot of our assets, liabilities, and owner's equity at the end of the year. We have total assets of 100,000 pesos, which includes cash, inventory, and our mobile coffee cart. Our total liabilities are quite low at 3,000 pesos, primarily from short-term suppliers obligations. The majority of the business financing income comes from the owner's investment, reflected in the owner's equity of 107,000 pesos. This strong equity position indicates a low level of financial risk. And that's all. Thank you.
Good day, ma'am. So the cash flow statement shows the movement of cash both in and out of the business or operating activities generated a significant positive cash flow of 110,000 pesos, indicating that the core business operations are bringing in more cash than they are using. We did have a significant cash outflow for the purchase of the coffee cart, which is a necessary investment for the business. Overall, the ending cash balance is a healthy 25,000 pesos. Thank you.
Now, let's discuss into the financial analysis. Our horizontal analysis will show you the growth trends in our revenues and expenses. For instance, our coffee sales saw a significant 25% increase from the previous year, indicating strong customer demand. The vertical analysis helps us understand the composition of our revenues and expenses within the current year. We see that the coffee sales make up the largest portion of our revenue, 83.33%, and the cost of goods sold of the coffee and pastry represent a manageable 16.67% of our total revenue, leading to the strong gross profit margin. Finally, our ratio analysis provides key insight into our financial health. Our gross profit margin of 68.30% and net profit margin of 61.94% are very healthy, indicating efficient cost management and strong profitability. A current ratio often suggests excellent liquidity. We have a significantly more current assets available to over our short-term liabilities. The very low debt to equity ratio of 2.8% indicates that the business is primarily financed by the equity, signifying a low level of financial risk for investors. The Cozy Coffee Cart demonstrates strong profitability, a healthy financial position, and a positive cash flow. The low debt and high liquidity further strengthen its financial profit. We believe that with your investment, we can expand our operations, perhaps by adding another cart or exploring catering opportunities, which would further drive revenue and profitability. We are confident that the Cozy Coffee Cart represents a solid and promising investment opportunity.